Okay. So what is the LCM of 2 comma 3? 6. Okay na? So this method is suitable for smaller numbers. But if given numbers are bigger numbers, we have to follow another method. Okay. Now we are going to learn that method. What is the method? Finding LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. Now what is the LCM of 36 comma 48? What is the LCM of 36 comma 48? Like in previous problem, if I have you write 36 multiples and 48 multiples means it is difficult. So we have to learn another method. So first we have to write prime factorization of 36. So 36 is an even number. So it is in 2 table. 2 in 18 times. Again in 2 table. 9 times. Okay. Now 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now 48. 2. 24 times. 2. 12 times. 2. 6 times. 2. 3 times. Now 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now LCM is equal to, first you have to write which one is the common in the given multiplication. 2 is the common, write one time. Again 2 is the common, write one time only. 3 is the common. Now anything is common? No. So you have to write remaining all numbers also. What are the remaining numbers? 3, 2, 2. 3 into 2 into 2. So what is the LCM? LCM of 36 comma 48 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 4, 144. So LCM of 36 comma 48 is 144. Okay. Now finding LCM of 24 comma 60 comma 70. Now what is the difference between the remaining sums? Here 3 numbers, 24, 60, 70. But same method we are following. 24 2 8 times, again 2 table, 4 times, again 2 12 times here, 6 times here, 3 times. Okay now? Right. 60. 5 table, 12 times, 2 table, 6 times, 2 table, 3 times. Okay now? Now 70. 5 table, 14 times, 2 table, 7 times. Now 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 60. 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay now? Next 70. 5 into 2 into 7. Now LCM. First, which one is common in all these 3 numbers? Which one is common? 2 is common. So first write 2. Anything is common in 3 numbers? No. Now any number is common in 2 numbers. Here 2 is the common. 2. Next 3. Next 5. Next anything is common. So remaining numbers also you have to write 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay. What is LCM? LCM means first you have to write which one is common in 3 numbers. Which one is common in 3 numbers? 2 is the common. Next you have to write which one is common in 2 numbers. Which one is common in 2 numbers? Here 2, one more 3, here 5. Then we have to write the remaining numbers 2 and 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 into 7, 840. This is the LCM of 24, 24, 60 and 70. So 840 is the LCM. Okay. Now practice the given sums. Okay. Find the HCF of. Practice this also. HCF of 48, 60. Second one 36, 12, 70. Third one 70, 60, 100. Okay na? Fourth one 210, 49, 21. So practice these sums. Find LCM of these numbers 48, 60, 36, 12, 70, 70, 60, 100, 210, 49, 21. Fifth one, if all numbers are prime numbers, what is LCM? Okay, think. If all given numbers are prime numbers, then what is LCM? Okay, na? Take some examples and do it. Okay, Jai Hind.